Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're experiencing problems after updating the Walmart app, start by restarting your phone. Sometimes updates require a fresh device restart to function properly. Then head over to your app store and make sure that the app update is installed completely by checking the app store. Then, if the issue continues, clear the app's cache on Android devices. You can also try logging in and logging out and logging back in to refresh your session. If the problem persists, uninstall the app. Long press on the Walmart app icon, remove app, then delete the app. Then head over to your app store, search for Walmart again, and reinstall it to the latest version from the app official app store, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.